Welcome to Burkeshire Farm. My name's Frank.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're out here on August
15th.
August 15th. They got the pad done, and a couple things have happened since. They did come out and install our electricity. They were supposed to call me and didn't, so that I could at least have got some video on that for you, all of you, but they failed to call me. But the good thing is it's in. We've got a meter back here in the panel. We've got power. So next thing is to start filling in the trench. That part's going to be done. And then, as you can also see, we got forms. They came Friday and yesterday and started putting the forms in. And we're going to take you around and show you a little bit about what all they've got done.
All right, let's go show you what's going.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the electrical pole. And Frank has already found a mistake that the electric company has to come back out and get. Or fix, not get.
This here is the cap. The cap that goes on top of this. The pipe at the top.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
The pipe at the top goes right here. So the pipe comes in, the wires come out these three openings and then swing up and go to the transformer. That eliminates rain from getting in the pipe. And for some reason, they didn't even put it on.
All right, well, once again, that's why we do have the travel trailer. Frank will be spending some time out at the train. All right, let's move on. So Frank's gonna have to fill in the trench here. And we're gonna come all the way down to this end. We're getting there. Because we do have the meter and everything hook up. But Frank says they're going to have to turn the power off now to fix their mistake down there. So we do have the power and everything though, so that's a plus. And then we have the forming of the pad.
Concrete foundation.
Yep. So let's walk around and we can see where everything is. Our hole was filled in. See, pipe's gone. So this is once again going to be the back patio. And that's looking out to the front patio. And then this is going to be
The back of the garage.
Yeah, well this here is going to be the mud room, bathroom, our closet, and the front bedroom.
Yes. Yep.
And then this is the garage.
Yeah.
So that's going to be nice.
Very nice.
And unfortunately we think another tree's going to have to go because it's way too close to the garage. And let's come around this way. And then we're looking at it on the side here. Yep. And there's going to be that gorgeous, huge patio that we're going to be able to sit on so that we can look out to our pasture. And there's our bales of hay that they finished the other day. Of course, it's not ours, but one day it'll be ours. And the little pile that Frank was working on is growing. So he gave up on it, and we'll work on it later after they're done with all the scraps. You can see there's scraps everywhere, and the scraps they're just going to end up in that same pile. So it's just growing.
Well, that's our quick little walk around of the update for the Barndominium. It's not a whole lot, but hopefully we're going to be getting a lot more video, a lot more footage, so you can watch the progress of the Barndominium.
Yes, yep, I'll definitely going to make it a point to be out here every day. You know, sometimes get frustrated, but I just got to remember God's in control, and it's up to Him. It's going to get done when it gets done, and I just sometimes got to remind myself to let go and let God. So thank you very much for joining us. I'm going to throw some drone footage up here in the end for you. As you can see, we did have someone come out and they did cut all the hay field and baled it, and they did it for the hay. So it didn't cost us anything, and they get the rewards of the hay off of it, and everybody's good. So thank you again, and until next time, God bless.
Have a blessed day.